Oh my god, Colby's the beast, guys.
12 seconds later.
Who the
Can I
hell's
eat
the,
it?
wait, who left the beast in there? Okay, we just gotta wait, where the hell's Isaiah?
That's a good question. Isaiah, come into
I
this
know where he
room.
is.
Where?
That's the funny story, we don't know.
Isaiah, come for me.
Isaiah, I know
But
exactly where you are.
Smells
Yo,
right.
what am I doing?
Oh, oh my god, you could not. Are you on?
There's like
Are you
no,
on?
No!
Oh, you're
there's
not.
like no
Oh, no,
way
you're not.
out of that room. Oh my god. Oh hi.
I'm alive! I'm alive!
Isaiah's probably just walking around wondering what the fuck is going on. And why we're aggressively screaming.
I saw him.
Fuck, Riley.
Yeah, we didn't give Isaiah very much context.
By the way, the nearest one is like 3 meters away.
No! He's refrigerating me.
Hey Colby, is your refrigerator running?
Yeah.
Then you better go catch it!
Kill yourself, Riley. You can't do shit, Riley.
I'm trying to go through the gate, but I'm flopping around like a fat ass.
Open the fucking door.
Hi, Colby, is your refrigerator running?
Yeah.
Shit!
Oh
Oh!
no.
Oh my god, I'm alive!
What? Oh, it's not like that.
Oh, what's good, Isaiah?
Hey, yo, what's good, guys?
Hey, if you see a lunatic walking by, run at all cost.
I'd run for our lives? Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
Run from
Alright,
Aiden.
everyone,
Got it.
everyone.
Run from Aiden.
Not that kind of lunatic. Like one that looked like one with a hammer and like Russian music. Anything here?
Doesn't ring any bells. You know, like,
No,
I don't got a hammer. I got my dick in my hand.
Same thing.
Same.
Tomato, tomato.
Like-
Oh.
I'm just gonna pound you,
Ah,
Riley.
shit!
Come back. Just come back. Just come back.
Oh my god.
Just
I got him good, boys.
Bro took the TV and like went too far.
No!
TV
Yes!
I was through that door. It literally showed
Yes!
me
I
right
do-
beside
I
you.
don't know.
But Isaiah, on my screen, I was literally right beside you.
Same thing.
And I got locked out of the fucking door.
Yeah, well, Kobe, you're okay. Kobe, your screen is like behind a year or two, so I don't know about
Oh,
that.
heck, Colby.
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta find out the computer. Wait, I know where one is, but like it's in a pretty bad. Like I know where two are. Oh wait, this is awkward.
Yeah, he's on. We're.
No, shut the fuck up, Riley. If he finds us, we're sacrificing you. All right, buddy.
Yo, I think we're safe,
I know
boys.
you're gonna see me and
You
then... Wait,
fucker.
can I open the door? I can't.
All right, yeah, we're safe.
Alright,
We
well, I'm
may
gonna go
potentially
to
be at the other
door.
one.
No, he definitely is at the other one.
Oh, no, I saw him go to the other one, guys.
Oh wait, we're gonna dip now. All right. Wait.
Okay, I'm gonna go
I
get
think I
Isaiah.
failed it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's when I
The
failed.
spinner didn't show. The spinner didn't show up. The spinner didn't show up.
Riley, please. I'm about to die.
What's up, Riley?
I'm actually dead, unless you...
Please let him die.
I can't. Aiden's on my cheeks, dude.
I love it that you guys hack a whole ass computer while you're letting Isaiah die now.
Isaiah
You're in this
deserves
closet,
to.
aren't you? Oh, you're not?
Aiden, can you murder me so this becomes like 10 times harder for Riley?
No, that's impossible. 1v1's impossible, almost.
It's possible, you just gotta not suck.
I don't think so.
Bro, 4 of the 5 computers are on the same area! And 4, all of them are! Wait,
Yeah.
oh wait, I took a wrong turn. Oh,
Hey, Aiden, can you come kill me?
I don't know where the hell you are.
We'll know in a
I
couple
don't know where you
seconds.
are. I just hear
I know in a
eyes screaming. I'm
couple
like, where the
seconds.
fuck is he? Yo, you ever played rugby?
God damn.
Fuck rugby. Unironic.
Have you ever played rugby?
Alright, I'm gonna drag your corpse across the floor, Riley.
Yo, Colby, can you come get me, gang?
Sure.
He's bringing me to the house. I hope he doesn't camp it, though.
He will.
There's a lot of openings. No, there's two. Never mind, he left me.
Riley, you look like Riley. Not gonna lie, you look like Rosa Parks. What the fuck?
Oh, shut. Come here. Go this way.
Yeah. You know. Oh yeah, I know where one of the computers is. I was doing it while you were screaming about fucking dying.
I know where all of them are, so good fucking.
Where
luck.
the hell am I going?
I. I just need.
This map's so
Okay, I'm
foggy.
here.
Riley, honestly, you
see where I went?
Riley, you probably read.
I'll find it.
Okay.
I can hear you. I can't get in now. Ever staying on
Oh
heel?
fuck.
Oh, I know! I used my fucking runner, are you kidding me?
Get fucked, Aiden.
He's not breathing.
Okay, I'm out of hiding.
Oh, kiss me.
Bro came out of hibernation. Oh my god.
dead.
Bro, the bad mic
I'm
quality.
Time to press buttons like a maniac, although it does shit all. He's putting me in a jar, Riley. He's putting me in his jar.
I'm putting him in the
I
wind.
wonder what will
I'm
happen next.
Colby,
Riley, help.
I'm freezing Colby so I can put him in the
Put me in a
KFC
jar,
deep fryer.
Riley.
Don't put it on the radiator.
Riley, he put me in a jar, Riley.
I'm trying to put I'm trying to freeze him so he ends up
With the
so
mic.
I want to put you in the KFC deep fryer.
He put me in the jar, Riley. There you go.
Bro, he sent me to fucking Louisiana.
I'm about half dead.
Smell it? Fuck! I came back here, you little shit!
Yeah, but if I don't say which one.
Riley, I'll just find it eventually, alright, buddy? Alright? You have like 6 minutes as well, so I think you gotta.
And that's the one that we
I
were
think
doing
you have to
anyway.
pick up the pace a little, Riley.
I hear his
Okay,
heartbeat.
well, I
but
no
don't.
longer have sound. Oh, I have sound again.
Yes, boys!
Oh.
I won't.
If that shit could open any slower, it would be greatly appreciated.
Wait, did you get captured?
Yeah.
No,
the door didn't
no, he's breathing perfectly fine right now.
Riley, tickle my pickle, please.
Riley's camping me.
You
He's
know-
camping me,
You,
guys.
you know how people like intentionally get themselves freeze themselves?
That's kind of sus.
Like no, that's because like they
Really?
try like
Tickle my
Walt Disney and
pickle.
stuff. Isn't real life just isn't like life is bleeding but what?
I'm sorry.
They're sorry. Like they hit board game.
My pickle, Riley.
Wait, there's a basement?
Did you know that?
No, I've never played this map.
I think you have at least once.
Yo, whoever freed Cool Cart, you should free the slaves.
I'm shit.
Oh wait, he's here. I didn't even notice. I couldn't hear it.
Let me pick bro up.
I'm
instead of-
guessing it's at that computer.
Yeah, maybe Colby. Great observation skill, buddy.
Yeah.
Bro, I
It's just Isaiah
literally
being
see Isaiah
retarded,
dipping,
okay.
and I'm like, why the fuck? Why am I so fat? Bro, I literally see Isaiah dipping, and I'm like, what the hell is this guy doing? And then I literally see like the flashing lights.
How do I close the door?
I thought you couldn't close that. That was one of those doors you couldn't close.
Colby's gonna go rescue Cool Cart, so I'm gonna keep
No!
What the fuck, Aiden? How did you die?
Bro,
There's like no fucking way you actually died.
I know.
Oh my god, Colby's almost the same level.
Bro, are you fucking kidding me? Why are you in here with me?
You didn't hear me.
Why?
You put my ball in my
Why?
No, Colby,
Why?
Colby,
Onward.
Every fucking time I play this map, the beast spawned the same room as it.
Where is he? Where is
He's
he?
on the floor right now. Oh, hi.
I dropped. Ah!
Fucking high.
Bro, I just started levitating.
What the fuck is this?
Where's he at? Where's he
He's on
at?
the floor.
Under me?
Riley, should you look under there?
Wait, how did I get hit?
Wait, what?
Because I got you midair. Where'd you go?
I thought yeah, was Colby even here? What the fuck? Hey, Riley.
Oh my god! I dipped.
I'm dying, by the way. Hey, Riley. Hey, Riley. Riley, what's that under there? I'm stuck! I'm stuck! Hey, Isaiah. Hey, Isaiah. What's that under there?
Under your mother?
No, under there. Hey, look, actually, what's under that? What's under there? On that desk there. Nope. Fuck! I don't know where the doors and men. Oh, you suck at this game, bud. I'm from the top, y'all.
From the top, make it drop.
Oh, what's up?
He dropped down.
I ever played rugby? Fuck shit! Where's the door?
Isaiah, is your fridge running?
Hey Isaiah, what's that under there?
If he gets runner, I'm dead.
What?
You
Holy
wasted
shit! Your Wi-Fi is so awful!
You're never getting this
Your Wi-Fi
man back.
smells. You're never getting what back?
Why aren't you losing health? Oh wait.
You're right next to him.
What the fuck? No, that's bullshit. What is
Colby,
that?
if you don't get off your ass, we will pass.
Bro, what the fuck happened, Colby? Hey, Colby, what's under there?
Underwear.
Ah, me the underwear! Ah!
I wouldn't fall out. Yo, come to the server room, bro.
Bet.
No, Colby, I was not talking to you. Here, I'll
I
even
don't think
fail this.
Isaiah heard. Oh,
I'll
yeah,
even fail
okay.
this. Oh, I'm done.
Isaiah.
Wait, what? He's
No,
deaf?
Hey,
I'm done.
Isaiah, you're no longer deaf.
Oh, I did not know it was deaf.
I alt tapped for 5 fucking seconds, and look, I'm now dead. I love this game sometimes. Holy shit!
How about we don't save him? We just complete this ourselves.
Well, that's
Holy mackerel.
holy macaroni, Isaiah. That's a very poopy idea. Maybe.
I'm not camping.
Yeah, bro, you're literally looking at me. You're literally like jacking off to me right now. Shut the fuck up.
I am.
Bro,
Okay, on my screen you just teleported.
no! Yeah, because your Wi-Fi is so horrendous! I have no those words. You're F-off your fucking Wi-Fi. Holy shit! What the fuck is... Holy Colby. Call your internet company right now. Put your internet company on the phone right fucking now.
Hey, hey Isaiah. Howdy, Isaiah.
Yo, who wants
You know,
to do a
he's not
suicide mission?
dying.
Let's
He's
go.
not dying.
Wait, we should
He
start by
can't
Isaiah,
get
because
both.
Isaiah's internet's even worse. It's even worse.
Bro.
No,
Wait, no, we need Isaiah to be in the capsule because his internet's even worse. Oh my god, our internet might be so bad. You know,
Wait, Isaiah, no, come back. I missed you.
wait, Isaiah, just hack, Isaiah, go hack computers because you're just gonna keep standing there.
It's
Isaiah, come into this room. Come into this room.
Oh, you shoot! Oh my god, Colby, your internet's so
Holy
bad.
mackerel! Oh, there he is.
Bro, holy shit, Colby, your internet's so
Isaiah. I
bad.
saw you in the hallway. Come back. Go back.
It's so
Isaiah.
bad.
yes, I saved him.
Okay,
Isaiah,
bad
come
internet
here.
versus bad internet. Let's go. Let's get it.
Focus on
Oh,
my
wow.
balls. Colby's ripped my testes out of.
Wait, I can just do this.
Hey,
Colby just
hey,
massacred
do you
my
know where we're
scrotum.
going, hey, Riley?
What is camping?
Nah, he dead.
Oh!
I.
Bro, he's literally hitting the glass every millisecond.
Wait, Isaiah, you go hack computers. You go hack computers while
Got me again.
no, because you won't die, Riley, because he's just hitting you with a hammer.
Yeah. I don't know who I hit. Oh, hi, Isaiah.
I'm alive.
Wait,
Yeah, Isaiah's not, though. Hey, how about this? Let's make a trade. You don't save Isaiah.
All right then. All right then. Walk away. Walk
Colby
away and let him
needs to get
die.
more than
I
one
don't.
body.
Now that neither of us are near him, I believe. I don't know. Riley might be near him.
I'm near him.
Oh well. Yeah.
I'm literally in the room next to him hacking the computer.
Yeah.
quickly.
You guys just get to escape, and I stay here with Isaiah.
Wait, Aiden's AFK on my screen. He's
I'm not.
Aiden, you're literally stuck in mid-place.
No.
I'm not.
Where are you?
I'm.
Oh, there you are.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
Oh, hey,
Where are these
yeah,
servers?
okay.
Like fucking Portugal or something?
Yeah, Aiden,
Oh,
you
no,
were
who
literally
did I hit?
standing there for so long.
I was emoting.
Oh.
Wait, are we all good? Yeah, just run away. Run away. Get as far away. Yeah. No, the moment we get the chance
Yeah,
to run
yeah,
away and get as far
get
away
as
from that
far away.
capsule as possible.
Please get away.
Alright, I'm
Get
bouncing.
away. Please, please get away.
Here, I'm gonna go hack some computers. I'm kind of bored of rescuing
Hey.
and laughing my ass off.
Is that right? Is that right?
Bro, what,
You know
bro,
what?
why would you grab me? Look at that sex position
Hold
though.
D and
Alright!
What the
and-
fuck? Holy
you hold D and
shit!
constantly jump.
Bro, Kobe's internet is so oh my god.
You can't jump on top of it.
Bro, this guy is infinite range. Jesus. Yeah, when you guys
Colby, is
wait,
your refrigerator running? You
I
better
think
go
I-
check it.
when you when you get to like go
Oh,
hack
one
computers
sec.
now.
Yeah, it is.
Wow! Holy shit!
Aiden's literally standing still on my screen. He's not even in the capsule.
My internet connection timed out. What?
Aiden's not even here anymore.
My connection timed out. What the fuck?
Aiden, I don't think it was my internet somehow. I think
My
it was
internet, I had
yours.
like 90 ping. I had like 90 ping. You were hitting me from like miles away. What the fuck is this?
Isaiah, he doesn't have runner. He doesn't have runner.
Bro,
Go, go,
where
go.
are these?
Oh,
Where are
shit.
these servers? What the fuck?